Hail. It's called hail. Oh my goodness.
It's ice.
5 p.m. 5 p.m. Huh?
Have you got an umbrella? I'm going to look for the pool.
Umbrella?
Yeah, I'm going to look for the pool.
Do we have? I'm not sure. Oh my god, look at...
Hours later.
Oh no, Migs! It's hail!
The pool is gone.
Gone? Miggy's pool is gone. Look, the ice! Ice! It's hail!
The pool is gone. Godverdomme.
It's ice.
We need to pick it up somewhere. It's hail! Oh my god, what's going on? Very hot and then one of a sudden, Migs.
Look going
Oh,
on.
look, Migs. Ice!
Oh no.
It's raining ice!
Yeah.
Hail! It's called hail.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness!
It's ice.
5 p.m. 5 p.m.
Umbrella?
Huh?
Have you got an umbrella? I'm going to look for the pool.
Umbrella?
Yeah, I'm going to look for the pool.
Do we have? I'm not sure. Oh my god, look at the ice. Oh, it's all over. It's gonna hit your head.
Yeah, well, the pool.
Our pool, our mini
Look,
pool
and
is
the
gone.
whole thing is going to float. I need
Yeah,
to get
because
that.
there
I
are
need to go.
stuff.
I need to get that. I need to go there.
Go, Daddy. But then we're gonna get wet.
Yeah, I need to. What
Oh,
otherwise?
no, it's lightning.
Yeah, what do we do otherwise?
Dangerous with lightning. Dangerous with lightning, Daddy. There are metals there. Don't go out
Yeah,
yet.
but look, it's going to float. I'm going to take without the slippers. Okay?
Daddy's going out because it's gonna overflow. It's not
Close the.
Must be very cold. Look at Daddy. Hi, Daddy. There's lightning, Daddy. Daddy, there's lightning. Hide. Dale, the poor. Wait, is it super cold? Like ice cold?
It's okay.
Are you scared, babe? It's okay, babe.
Kijk, papa, helemaal nat.
It's okay, babe. It's okay, baby. Don't cry. Your baby is scared. It's okay.
Is okay, lieverd. Huh?
Okay,
Wat
look,
ging alleen buiten?
Babe, because Papa, look at your pool is outside. He needs to get it out.
Yeah.
Yeah, he pick it up when the rain is finished. Yeah. Look, it's raining ice, baby.
I
You
hope
see that? Is it flowing now there?
I hope so.
Look.
Oh.
It's ice.
Yeah, ice, baby. And then lightning. You see? Oh, couldn't see it properly, but yeah, ice. Oh my God.
Dus zoom maar naar.
This one? Yeah, look. Oh my God, in August, mid-August. But it happened also before, no, like snowing.
Ja.
Yeah, Daddy is okay now. But you just look where your pool is.
It's ice.
Ja.
It's ice.
Yeah,
that?
yeah.
En de pool? Oh nee.
Your pool is flown away, but then it's just there by the neighborhood.
Maybe I get it. I go down and just get it.
Like wait and
I'm wet anyway.
wait a bit because it might come down in a few moments.
See, it's so much water now that it's coming from that side to this side. You
Oh
see?
yeah,
Look, even that is not
it might,
floating.
it might overflow here
Yeah,
or
it
to
might-
us.
It might overflow. If it's not
Okay,
gonna stop
baha,
soon.
nagbaha.
Papa.
Oh no, the water
We need,
there.
to get rid,
Oh.
we need to get rid of all this shit.
Yeah,
And
all
the
those
balcony.
things.
Papa.
Oh,
Papa.
Yeah.
it's a bit slow. It's got a little bit slow now.
Papa. Papa. Papa.
Oh, gracious
Yeah.
goodness.
It's raining ice.
Yeah,
Yeah.
baby, it's raining ice.
Look at that floating, Babs. Oh shit.
They're all floating now there. Oh no. We have a mini lake. It's gonna overflow here if we don't get rid of the stuff.
Hope not.
But it seems to be. It's lower now, lower now.